Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put footer at bottom of page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to put footer bottom of page. Firstly, go to the window menu. Then enable the pages section. And we can see here show the all page at once. Then we go to the master page. Enable this master page and double click on the master page. Then again go back the window menu, enable the layer option. Then select the frame text tool and draw a text frame down on this page. Then write your footer text. Now we can see we write our footer text. Then select the move tool to this tools section. Then select the text box and set middle on the page. You can align this. Select the alignment option and choose align center. Then click apply. Then go to the tool layer option and lock the layer. Then disable the master page and double click on the main page. Then check the all pages. Now we can see we put footer bottom of page in Affinity Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.